to La Vida Rosa. I'm your host Pinky. Today I'm going to be trying my best to do a perm rod set. So if you would like to see the results, then just stay tuned. But before we get into that, I would like for everyone to check out my website, lavidarosastyle.com, where you can find cute earrings like these that I'm wearing right now, as well as more cute accessories. So make sure you click that link down below, and also don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay y'all, my hair has been freshly washed. So today I want to do a perm rod set using these cold wave rods. There's 6 in each pack. I have 5 packs, so I have 30. Hopefully this is enough, I'm praying. I also have these papers to cover the perm rods with so that they don't damage my hair in any type of way. Usually I just do perm rods straight on my hair, but I saw somebody use these and I'm like, you know what? This could probably help me protect my hair. Maybe I should take the precaution and get these. They were only like $2 for like 1,000. I'm gonna be using the Mielle White Peony leave-in conditioner because it's very light. If you look at it, it's very light. And I'm also going to be using this Lotta Body with coconut and shea oils setting lotion. I heard it was really good. I've seen people use this in videos, and honestly this is what people have been using on my hair ever since I had a perm. So I was like, why not? So I threw some in this spray bottle with a little bit of leave-in conditioner because I saw someone else do that. Basically everything I'm doing today, I watched somebody else's video and I'm gonna try, because usually these do not come out perfect for me. These usually come out really bad. I wanted to do all I can to make sure they looked good this time around. I'm gonna start in the back because, you know, who doesn't? So my hair is partially wet. I'm gonna be using this spray bottle to like wet it again. So I was gonna blow dry it, but I want to see how this works. Maybe next time I'll try blow drying and then doing this. First I'm gonna add the leave-in conditioner. I'm just gonna spray it in my hand and then get on my hair. And I'm missing both of my nails right here, so don't judge me. And I'm gonna take one section and spray it with the setting lotion and leave-in conditioner. And I want to make sure it's like damp with that lotion, because that is going to be what secures the curl. So that's important. My hair is pretty much already detangled, so I'm just going to take a tangle teaser and detangle it further, because that's really important when it comes to doing perm rod sets. Apparently that's what I've been seeing a lot of people do. Okay, I'm going to take one of the papers, wrap it around. I'm gonna add a little bit more setting lotion because I just want to make sure it's laying down. I'm gonna add some to my roots as well. Then I'm gonna roll it up as tight as possible and snap this baby on there. Honestly, it feels a little loose, but it doesn't, I think that's as tight as it can get. If it's a little frizzy, I tried, okay? I tried. that took me almost 2 hours. I am so mad. And it's like, I'm just irritated because I didn't expect for it to take that long. I want to go to sleep. And I know this is going to take forever to dry. So either I'm going to get under the dryer tonight, or I'm just going to wake up early and get under the dryer tomorrow. I already can tell it's going to be frizzy because I can just look at my roots and see. That's one of the main reasons why I'm irritated, is because I can never get like the perfect perm rod set. And I just already know how this is going to turn out. Good night. Okay, it's the next day, and I did like go to sleep, and I woke up and I sat under the dryer for like an hour, and I'm pretty sure my hair is dry. So I'm gonna go ahead and take down these rollers. First I'm gonna take down the rollers, and then I'm gonna separate them. Hopefully this works, because y'all, I was so mad last night. I was just looking at some of the footage and I'm like, Pinky, you were actually, like, I was actually upset and frustrated with my hair last night. So I hope this comes out good, even if it is a little frizzy. Okay, this one is still kind of wet, so like I don't know what to do. This one is wet. I'm gonna stop just trying to make everything so perfect and just like accept it for what it is, because I know I'm not the only one that has a problem with doing the perfect perm rod. But every time I look on YouTube, everybody has, oh, that came out real good. Every time I look on YouTube, everybody has the perfect perm rod set, and I'm just like, why can't I? This one is still wet too. Yo, man. I really thought it was dry. Like, I really checked all of them. I thought. Maybe I didn't check them good enough. That's pretty. Some of them came out extremely good, and some of them are still wet. Like, this side is still wet for some reason. I mean, it's not wet, it's just damp, and I know that's gonna be frizzy. And my texture is still like clearly there. I know I should have went ahead and just blow dry my hair first. That's the problem, because you can still see my texture at the roots here. But this is a cute curl though. So I know if this part were straighter, it would be so pretty. I mean, it's not ugly. There was only a few damp curls, and those are going to end up being frizzy. So I'm just going to break everything apart and put a little oil on my hands and break everything apart. Okay, so here is the finished result. Like, there's frizz at the roots, but for the most part the curls came out looking pretty good. I mean, some of them, you know, my texture was like in the way, but for the most part I feel like the curls came out good. Now this side, not so much. I mean, it doesn't look terrible, but clearly, you know, some of these did not come out right. But I feel like you don't really notice it unless you like really look at it, just because of, you know, the fact that my hair is natural and it's gonna have a little frizz like automatically. So yeah, I'm not completely upset with how my hair looks. I did want it to look a little bit more uniform, but it just didn't work out that way. One of these days I'm gonna get it, one of these days, but today's not that day. This is still cute though, I'm not gonna lie, this is still cute. I feel like the setting lotion worked really, really well on my hair. My hair feels very soft, and that's something else I was a little bit worried about. I was hoping that my hair wouldn't be hard, but it's still soft. So yeah guys, let me know what you think down below. I would love to hear your opinion, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.